Hey you guys, and welcome to my channel. Tinashe Hair partnered with me and sent me this 14-inch water wave wig. I'm just showing you everything that comes in there, and this is the wig. I bleached the knots, and you may see a few little dots on there that's dark. That's because I had to correct some over bleaching. But anyway, I did the ball cap method on her, and I'm just cutting the excess cap off of her hair. I'm just using some small scissors. Here I'm just going in with my lace mate glue, lace wig glue, and I'm putting down 3 layers of the lace mate lace glue. So you'll see me put down 1 layer, but I put 3 total, and I let it get almost clear and started to apply. So it should look something like that when you get ready to apply your wig. So I just laid the wig down. I don't know why I don't have video of me actually putting it down. So there I'm just using the back of the rat tail comb to press the wig into the glue. And then I'm just cutting the excess lace because I already pre-cut the lace before I put it on. So I'm just cutting any excess lace that didn't get in the glue when I laid it down. So I'm just using some small little scissors to cut the extra lace off, and also the extra lace over the ears. And then you just want to continue pressing the lace down if you have anything left over. And then here I just already pulled out some baby hair, some hair that I'm going to use for baby hair. And then I used a bit of Got To Be Freeze spray and a black wrapping strip to wrap and melt the lace down. Now this hairline was really full. I did pluck the hairline and it came pre-plucked, but just so you know, this hair is really thick. So if you have time, you can go back in and pluck the hair some more. So anyway, I let the lace stay in the black wrapping strip for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then now I'm just going in with some more scissors, and I'm just cutting the hair. You want to cut do like a 1/2 inch. If you don't, well, if you want the baby hairs bigger, you can do them bigger, but I'm doing about a 1/2 inch. And then I'm just going in with some Got To Be gel, the black one, and I'm just gonna lay her baby hairs down with that. And I'm just using that same rat tail comb, and I'm just being gentle not to disturb the lace because it's still trying to cure. So you want to be very gentle when you're laying your baby hairs down. And then I'm also, if you may be able to tell, I'm getting that excess Got To Be gel off by smoothing it with the back of the comb. So here I'm just going in with my Conner Infinity Pro blow dryer, and I'm going to get those baby hairs almost completely dry before I tie them down. So once you get them laid, you want to go in with your blow dryer, whichever kind you have, and then just get any excess gel off and just keep blow drying. And then I always go in with if I'm going to be using a strip to tie it down, I always go in with a little bit of oil sheen. So it was just some Isoplus, and then I went in with another coat of the Got To Be Freeze spray, and now just another wrapping strip to tie it down and make sure that it's laid. So here's the hair after I've installed, and that's how it looks without having anything put on it, any products on it. So I just brushed it out, and it just kind of have like a nice little wave to it. But it is the water wave hair, so once you wet it, it gets really wavy and soft, and it's just really nice. So here I'm just trying to figure out where I'm gonna part it. Just finding the part, and she's gonna do 2 little, I think they're called French braids, or 2 little Yeah, like little inside braids. I don't know what they call. I'm just gonna do one on each side. Under braids, I think that's what it's called, or French braid, I believe, something like that. So I'm just gonna do one on each side, and that's what I'm doing here. Now I don't know how to do a tutorial on this braid, but it's just the total opposite of a regular cornrow. You going inside instead of under it. So anyway, that's how it looks after I get done. I just braided it all the way to the end and added a rubber band and on the end of it. And so I did the other side the exact same way. Now I'm just going in with a little bit of hairspray and the blow dryer, and then here I'm just going back in with some more water and a little bit of the Nairobi foam wrap. And I'm just kind of getting it worked in so we can get a uniform curl here. Taking my paddle brush and brushing through the curls, and then now I'm just trying to get them to like fluff up a little bit more. I'm taking some scissors and I'm just trimming because I think the fronts of the wig is a little bit longer than the back, so I'm just trimming it down just a little bit so that once it dries it can kind of like expand a little bit and be more fluffy. And then I just went back in with my blow dryer again to make sure that everything was dry. Here is the finished result. The hair was sent to me by Tinashe. If you're interested, I have the links listed below. Thanks for watching.